By the mirror in a rented room, street signs hung outside the window, a list on my phone, names crossed in red, head steady now, no shaking left. I paid my dues in crowded rooms, smiles traded just to stay included. Tonight I draw a thinner line, I step inside, call it mine. Every seat I took for someone else left my spine bent, eyes kept low. I learned my value costs a voice, so I speak it plain, let it show. Today's speak is me, no crowd involved, no hands to raise, no price to show. I bet my name, I sign it clear, what I select decides my worth right here.